Um, good good listings will attract the buyers. So I know this is a buyer focus, so let me
Interesting.
just kind of give you the broker mentality here. Buyers are a dime a dozen. I have no shortage of buyers. A good listing, in fact, I'll give you an example. I have a medical billing company that we're closing on this afternoon, $3 million transaction. I had 27 full price LOIs, not just like indications of interest, not to include the hundreds and hundreds of buyers that inquired about it. I'm talking about 27 LOIs. Good
Wow.
listings will attract buyers. And so to answer your question, how do they find me? One, my database, and then two, good listings will attract the buyers. And ideally, if you find a good business broker, you'll want to get on their list, somehow connect to them to find pre-market deals. That's helpful from a buyer standpoint. Your other question about what have I noticed have changed in the marketplace? Buyers are, and this is fantastic. I think this is a really positive change. Buyers are becoming more sophisticated. There are tons of it's very much the old kind of cool startup, the grind of the startup, what used to be bragging rights and cool has switched to, and I think it should be, because it's so much more safer and less risky to buying an existing business, uh, as you'll see on online, buying boring businesses. And with that, it comes a whole host of, some good, some bad, social media gurus and content creators that are providing their approach to how to do this and how to analyze deals. But comes with that a lot of content and a lot of education. And so buyers are becoming more sophisticated,
Mhm.
and they're realizing how much safer it is and how much better it is, how much easier it is to buy an existing business that's profitable, that's established, has got history, rather than start a business up from scratch, the high risk startup.